Hi there, I'm Chris. I'm a writing coach and I'm co-author of Written, How to Keep Writing and Build a Habit That Lasts. And today we are talking tomatoes. Developed by Francesco Cirillo in the 1980s, the Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that millions of writers swear by. It's super simple and highly effective. First, get yourself a timer of some kind. You might want to use one of these fun little poms, but there are lots of apps available and the timer on your phone will work just as well. When you use the Pomodoro technique, you are writing against the clock. Set the timer for 25 minutes, and when the timer goes off, take a break for 2 to 5 minutes, and that's one pom done. You're ready to start again if you want to. Some writers choose to string poms together. It's up to you. Francesco Cirillo suggests taking a longer break once you've done 4 poms. The Pomodoro technique works because it's fast and it's fun and it dials down the pressure. Writing for just 25 minutes doesn't feel overwhelming, so you're more likely to do it. Pomodoros help you focus, and that's really great for getting the writing done. But the key is to write or do nothing else. Resist the urge to check your phone or turn those stuck moments into distractions. It's a really great method to get you going with your writing or to make use of snippets of time when you're a really super busy person. The mega movie star Tom Hanks wrote his whole first novel using Pomodoros, so you might be surprised what you can do and how focused they'll make you feel. Good luck!